Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word pulley. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He used a pulley to lift the heavy box up to the second floor of the building. A pulley is a wheel with a grooved rim around which a cord passes, used to change the direction or point of application of a force applied to the cord. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.